Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Josh Andre Kumbas, and you're still tuning into Science Talk, where we talk about anything and everything science related. Now, let me tell you this because you're in for a treat, because today's topic will be all about the states of matter. But before anything else starts, let's first define what a matter is. Now, matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. At minimum, matter requires at least one subatomic particle, although most matter consists of atoms. And let me give you a fun fact. Now, did you know that the word matter is something that is used to refer to a pure substance? Yeah, I know, right? It's mind-blowing. And since you know what a matter is, let's move on to molecules. Now, molecule is a group of two or more atoms that forms the smallest identifiable unit into which pure substance can be divided and still retain the composition and chemical properties of a substance. You know what? This has got to be one of the main reasons why I love reading and understanding science, because you will always find yourself amazed by the stuff you know each and every time. Alright, I'll stop my chit chat. I know you've been curious and you've been dying to know what the three states of matter are. Now, I will gladly tell you. Now, these three states of matter are the solid, liquid, gas. Familiar, right? But first, let's talk about solid. So basically, solid is one of the three fundamental states of matter. Now, the molecules in a solid is closely packed together and contains the least amount of kinetic energy. The particles are held too strongly to allow movement from place to place, but the particles do vibrate about their position and the structure. Next up, we have the liquid. Now, once again, liquid is a part of the three fundamental states of matter, and this is one of the states with a defined volume but with no definite or fixed shape. Now, once again, in liquid particles are quite close together and moves with random motion throughout the container. Now, particles move rapidly in all directions but collides with each other more frequently than in gases due to shorter distance between the particles. Now, last but not the least, we have gas. So gases in this case moves rapidly in all directions, frequently colliding with each other on the sides of the container. Now, did you know that with an increase in their temperature, the particles gain kinetic energy and moves way more faster? Now, that's just interesting, right? Now, since that I told you all of the stuff that you need to know, let's make a quick summary. So basically, solid are particles closely packed together and are not free to move about within in the substance. Now, liquid particles move space between them, so they are not fixed in position. And lastly, gas is a state of matter that has no fixed shape nor fixed volume. So, you know what? I think that concludes it. Science is really a subject that is really close to my heart, and I really hope that you learn a lot in this video. I hope you finally understand what the three states of matter are and their differences. Now, once again, this is Josh Andre Kumbas, and this has been the Science Talks, and until next time, guys, see you. Goodbye and thank you.